I help you figure it out. Now I think we can get it. Yep. Okay, hold on to that. Because then these are spring loaded. See that? Okay, so Walker was gonna get which one?
He needed right on this side.
See how that does that? There's no way to, or it's like this. So it won't work. So
how's it
Walker,
going, man?
if you needed red on that side, then you need to go get the other. Uh-oh.
Got it. Where'd it go?
Go get the
That's
other
flung.
bag for me, okay?
Flung over there by Winnie somewhere is where I heard it ding around at.
It's right here.
Oh, there we go.
Good job. Okay, here's the hammer. You gotta tap your pin out of there, okay?
You know what you're doing, man?
Walker, they're over by the toolbox on the floor.
Alright, where's that screwdriver at?
Sully, where'd you find the pegs at? Oh, they're right here, Walker. He carried them over already.
Getting it?
See the difference? See how this one's angled this way? This one's angled that way? Yep. So you are going to be red on that side. You're
Getting
gold on
it?
this
You can
side.
tap the end of your screwdriver with the
Okay,
hammer.
What?
so
You can tap the end of your screwdriver with the hammer.
we do it like that.
So have it up like how you had it like this.
Okay. now
So it's
get
gonna
that.
feel a little weird in your left hand, yeah. And then try to
Yeah.
just
So
kind
it's
of
got-
lightly
here, use
tap
this.
it a little bit,
Kind of just tap it because Sully's got the hammer.
maybe. I don't know, maybe mommy should have stayed out of the tool stuff.
You got it, Mama.
Wait, I'll just go get it.
Can't quite get that peg going, Daddy. Keep trying on her.
I got it. Still here, Walker, if you need that hammer.
We will need that hammer. Sorry. All right. Walker, you take that. Hold on now. Hold on.
Actually, I might need those pliers.
Do you?
What you doing, Walker Jean?
Okay, Walker, tap it in there.
I'm getting my new pegs on my dirt bike.
New pegs on the dirt bike.
Oh, Daddy's not lined up. Okay, that should go now. There we go. Okay, let Daddy see it.
Did you get it, dude?
Pliers.
Need the pliers.